Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how Euro USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF, how they have performed in the last week and how they can perform in the coming week. See, if you talk about Euro USD, you can see the trend is showing that it can go further low. Okay, created. Okay, so if it will hit the supports and it will try to come down, okay, or what it can do, there is two probability that it can bounce back from this level, or if it comes close to this level, because this level is tested here twice, so chances are high that it can break this level. So what you have to do is you have to understand one thing, that if it comes close to a level of 0.17, that means if it comes around okay, at a level of 0.17370 or something, if it comes close to 1.7, then chances are high that it can break this level and can touch a level of 1.16, okay, and 20. And if chances are high that if it comes close to this level, then chances are high that it can break this level and can come to a level of 1.1559, and from there it can touch a level of, if it breaks this level, chances are high that it can break this level and can go to a level of 1.1503. okay, so this is, you have to keep in mind that if it comes close to this level 1.17051, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 1.16202, and if it comes to this level, then chances are high that can break this level and can touch a level of 1.15, okay, and it can touch a level of 1.15034. okay, now it is trading at a 1.180, so chances are high that if it sustain this level, then it can touch a level of 1.18538, and from there it can go to a level of 1.180803, and from there it can go to a level of 1.19706. okay, and if it sustain this level, then it can touch a level of 1.20, also 1.20183. okay, suppose if it didn't sustain this level, chances are high that it can break this level of 1.17742 and can touch a level of 1.17317, and from there it can touch a level of 1.17. if you have any doubt regarding any of the forex, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description, and please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is working. okay, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description. okay, and for any doubt you can mail me. See, this is what I've told you for Euro USD. If we talk about USD CHF, USD CAD, okay, see, look at this, the trend is upside for USD CAD, okay, and it is in the uptrend. If we look at this trend, we can see that it is moving at around 1.26124. okay, so chances are high that if it comes close to 1.26443, okay, then it can break this level, and now it is trading at 1.261224. so chances are high that if it comes close to this level, it can break this level and can touch a level of 1.26191, okay, and can touch a level of 1.27463. okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 1.28279. okay, suppose if it didn't sustain this level and if it comes below this level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 1.25899, and from there it can touch a level of 1.25014, and if it didn't sustain this level also, then it can touch a level of 1.24334, and from there it can touch a level of 1.23518. okay, so this is a very strong but we have seen an upside thing. If it goes below a level of 1.24878, then we can see a level of 1.23518, and from there we can see a level of 1.22769. so okay, if we talk about USD JPY, see, we have seen an uptrend in USD JPY, okay, and from there it is continuously in an upside thing, upside target. So suppose if it sustain this level 110 point, then it can touch a level of 110.727, and from there it can touch a level of 110.969. okay, and this level is not tested, so chances are high that it can bounce back. If it crosses from this level, then it can touch a level of 11111.737, and this level is already tested twice, so be careful if it comes close to this around, and if it touch this level, it can, chances are high it can break this level and can touch a level of 112.182. okay, and so this it can touch, it can go further high if it crosses this level, then it can, because this level is also tested twice, so chances are high that it can touch a level of 113, okay, 0.152. Suppose if it didn't sustain this level, so chances are high that it can touch a level of 109.716, okay, and from there it can touch a level of 109.514, and if this level breaks downside, then we can see that it can touch a level of 109.151, and this level is a strong support, and if this level breaks, then we can see a level of 108.544, because we can see that the trend will move, and now trend is an upside and it will move, will come to a downside, then we can see a level of 108.463, and if it didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 108.261, and from there we can see a level of 107.413. okay, so and if we talk about USD CHF, see, USD CHF is showing trying to go up, but it is not sustaining that level. So what we can see here is that suppose if it sustain this level, so chances are high that it can touch a level of 0.92399, and from there it can go and touch a level of 0.92764. okay, suppose this level is sustained, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 0.930119, and from there it can go to a level of 0.93821, and from there it can touch a level of 0.94733, and this level is already tested twice, so chances are high it can go and touch a level 0.953390. okay, suppose if it didn't sustain this level and goes below, then it can touch a level of 0.91268, and from there it can go and touch a level of 0.90573. okay, and this level is already tested twice and the support wise, so chances are high that it can go further low to a level of 0.89955, and from there it can go to a level of 0.89372, which is a very strong support. So this is for in this video. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.